Making plans sounds easy, but real conversations are not that simple. You make a plan, something changes, and you need to respond naturally. Today, I'll show you how to handle all three. Listen to this conversation.
Hey, are you free on Sunday afternoon?
Yeah, I think so. What's up?
Want to grab coffee?
Sounds good. What time works for you?
How about 3 p.m.?
3 is a bit tight. How about 4 p.m. instead?
Yeah, that works.
So Sunday afternoon at 4 p.m.?
Perfect. Hey, I'm really sorry, but something came up. I don't think I can make it this afternoon. Can we do tomorrow evening instead?
Yeah, no problem. Hey, I feel bad about this, but I have to cancel our plan for tomorrow afternoon. Something urgent came up.
No worries. We can meet another time.
This is real English. First, you make a plan. Then something changes. Then you fix it. Or cancel. Now, let's take the most important lines. Are you free on Sunday afternoon? What time works for you? How about 4 p.m. instead? Something came up. I don't think I can make it. I have to cancel our plan. These are the core patterns. You can use them in many situations. Repeat after me. Are you free on Sunday afternoon? How about 4 p.m. instead? Something came up. I don't think I can make it today. Can we do tomorrow evening instead? I have to cancel our plan. Here's a simple time system. On Sunday afternoon, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at 4 p.m. For example, on Sunday afternoon at 4 p.m. Now build your sentence. Listen and repeat. I can't make it. I can't make it today. I can't make it today. Something came up. I'm really sorry, but I can't make it today. Something came up. I'm really sorry, but I can't make it today. Something came up. Can we do tomorrow instead? Short answers are easy, but longer answers sound more natural and more friendly. Practice this, and you'll handle real conversations much better.